Chapter 1 exercise question number 1.24, in which it is said two large thin metal plates are parallel and close to each other. On the inner faces, the plates have surface charge densities of opposite signs and of the magnitude 17 into 10 raised to minus 22 coulomb per meter square. What is E in the outer regions of first plate, outer region of second plate, and between the plates? So see, the arrangement that has been given over here would look like this, that two plates have been given and both of them are having opposite charges on it. That means they are having opposite surface charge densities, plus sigma and minus sigma. So the field created due to this positive and negative charge distribution would be like this. The field due to positive would be outwards to the plate. So E1, let's say that electric field, we treat it as E1 due to plate number 1 is in this direction, that is represented by E1. So E1 in between the plates would be like this in this direction, and that on the left side would be in this direction. And if I extend it and look in this region, then on the right hand side of the second plate, that field would be in this direction, in the right direction, correct? So E1 at different regions would be like this. Similarly, E2 is the electric field generated due to the second plate, that would be towards the plate. So in between the region of the two plates, it would look like this. E2 would be in this direction, E2 over here on the left of the first place would be here, and E2 would be in this direction, would be on the left hand side. So it is clear that E1 and E2 on the outer regions of both the plates are in opposite direction. So for first and second, A and B, we can give the similar answer. So for A and B, the answer would be same. Outside the plates, what would be the electric field? E equals to E1 minus E2, right? Equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. That means it would be 0. This is the case for A and B. तो A और B दोनों का आंसर एक ही आ गया ये. अब बात बची मिडल रीजन की, the region between two plates. So उसमें क्या आ गया? Between two plates, total electric field is the addition of both the fields, as both of them are in the same direction. So E1 equals to epsilon sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So this would be sigma by epsilon 0. Here sigma has been given as 17 into 10 raised to minus 22 divided by epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. So when you calculate, you will get the answer as 1.92 into 10 raised to minus 10 electric field, so Newton per coulomb. So this is the answer for question C.